Today I provided $600 gaming PC build parts of 2020. So let's get started. The highly regarded Ryzen 5 2600 has dropped even further in price, even though the 3600 offers a 20% increase in performance power. We weren't able to fit it into this tight budget. The 2600 still offers 6 cores/12 threads and comes with a base clock speed of 3.4 GHz and a boost clock speed of 3.9 GHz. This should be more than enough to handle most games at 1080p and will churn through high demanding workloads. The Radeon RX 580 will be more than enough for 1080p gaming and should offer a great experience at 1440p as well. Performance-wise, it destroys both the GTX 1063GB and GTX 1066GB. In this price range, the RX 580 pretty much dominates the competition, and the value of this card shows it. This SSD has a 512GB capacity, giving you ample room for your media files and games. 16GB RAM is a staple across our builds, and for good reason. It not only offers very high performing memory, but it also comes at a price point that is both affordable and competitive. We've opted for 16GB of DDR4 3000MHz RAM in our $600 to make sure it has enough power to play the most demanding AAA game titles. In the $600 build, we managed to squeeze a fully modular PSU into the budget. Cable management should be much easier to deal with, and the case will help aid in this department as well. Not only is this a solid board for under $80, but it also comes with overclocking support. It supports 1SD/2ND/3RD Gen AMD CPUs, meaning there will be no issue upgrading your build further down the road. It also accommodates up to 3466 plus MHz memory as well, meaning you should be able to find the sweet spot for Ryzen memory partnership. The motherboard doesn't really impact gaming performance too drastically, but it is important to have a reliable and stable board that isn't going to fry anytime soon. That is exactly what this board offers. It might not be the best motherboard available, but for the price, you'll do well to find anything more suited. The AeroCool Cylon has been custom designed to keep your system cool straight out of the box and is one of the best cases we recommend for budget builds thanks to its insanely low price tag.